Hi, this is Dave for Expert Village. Today we're going to be making some Cajun Shepherd Pie. Alright, now we have our mixture ready. We're going to put this into our pan, and we want to preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Sounds like really high, but you'll see it's going to caramelize the top too. So we're going to put this into a pre-greased baking pan. Just want to plop this mixture right in there. And instead of like a regular meatloaf where you make it sort of a long sort of roll, we're going to press this in to our baking pan. There'll be some extra goodies down here, so I'm going to put that in. And I'll put this aside. Press it right in there just like that. And it's ready to go into the oven, as I say, preheated to 450. And we'll just slide that right in. Just like that. We're going to put that in for about 30 minutes and let it cook for a while, and then we'll do the next step.